siyang right person at the perfect time in your life, would you say that there's also a right person in a wrong time?
Yes.
Na parang perfect sana siya kaso it was just the wrong
Yes.
time.
Yes, very much so. Very much so. I think people really, God puts people in your life for certain seasons. It doesn't mean
Ganda.
that if it doesn't work out, it was wrong.
Yeah.
Correct.
It's just that, you know, you need to step into your next season
Mhm.
and it just looks too different
Mm-mm.
and it demands so many different, a different skill set, different emotional palette,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
different mental fortitude. Tapos sometimes magdadigress na kayo. Pero it doesn't mean na at that point, 'di ba? Parang it was not
Yeah, like sabi niya sa friendship, hindi niya na-expect na magkaka-best friend pa siya in her 30s.
Yeah.
Diba?
What do you think men still doesn't understand about women in their 30s?
Oh.
Ikaw, meron pa ba?
Men.
Ang dami ba nilang hindi naiintindihan
Hindi mo
sa atin?
date. So, isa lang naman yung men.
Kaya nga,
Man.
tingin mo
You
ba
have a
meron pa
better
siyang-
coverage of
Oo nga
that.
tingin mo ba may
Oo.
hindi pa siya naiintindihan sa'yo in your 30s?
Close kami.
I love that.
Close
Besties.
kami.
That's nice.
Oo,
Close
that's
kami.
good.
I feel like, I think yung strength namin as a couple is that I truly feel safe na I can say my deepest thoughts na
Oo.
kahit mali, alam ko, sasabihin ko sa kanya. Hindi yung mean to
Oo,
or, pero
tama
like,
naman. You
yung-
can
yung-
bear your
yung
thoughts.
thinking
Oo,
na-
safe space mo siya.
oo, na parang, parang yun, parang safe ako na,
Oo.
alam kong tanggap niya ako. Hindi ako judge, hindi niya ako iiwan. Kasi parang kapag bago pa lang kayo, may fear ka na, iiwan ba ako nito? Ganon.
How
So,
about
I guess
you,
wala
Nix?
na ganon. Ikaw.
I think the question should be what men still don't get.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I feel like, diba, women, we know what we want na.
At this age, especially
In your
din nga,
30s, oo.
30s.
Oo, feeling ko we always knew what we want when we were like teenagers pa lang eh.
Mm-mm.
Hindi man ganun kalinaw nun, pero it was
Meron
already
na.
Nandyan na.
there.
Oo.
If may something that I wish men could figure out at any point in their lives, siguro it's life is a lifetime project.
Mm.
Kasi I think I was reading this book. It's called Writers and Lovers by Lily King. And may sinabi doon na chapter na parang men have always has this certain kind of sadness of things that they were not able to achieve, they were not able to become, because it was always instilled in them that they were destined for greatness.
Mm-mm.
And sabi niya, but I've met so many amazing women, but none of them ever told me that they were meant to be great.
Right.
I feel like we just are.
Yeah.
And I think we just are because we know what we want.
Mm-mm.
Tapos sabi niya, and I think my father always carried this certain level of sadness within himself. Na parang there's always this unfinished project, something they had to let go in their life.
The sacrifice.
Yeah, and I feel like as women, yun yung power natin na we're so vast
Yeah.
in terms of emotions and our mentality na we don't, na parang feeling natin life has so much to offer to us na imagine tayo yung blessed ni God to
Bear children.
yeah, like
Yeah.
kung hindi man yun, kung ma-let go ko man yung career ko, I'm able to make life.
Right.
Alam mo yun, like na-realize ko
Exactly.
lang to actually a few days ago din.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yeah, when you let go of the things that
Yeah.
hold you down, like I
Yeah.
was so
Ang daming life realization.
I was so jailed by anxiety for how many years. But the moment I started letting go, parang nakita ko talaga sobra everything positive
Right.
about yung mga extra blessings that were bestowed upon us as women.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Yun, na
Pero
parang
like,
we have so many
Napo-foresee,
roles to
yeah.
fulfill.
Right.
Losing one doesn't feel like such a heartbreak.
Tama.
Pero like, gets ko yung parang may burden yung men to be great. Pero dahil ba, as women, we're taught to learn how to sacrifice din. Mas masakripisyo ba tayo? Do you agree?
I keep thinking about that
Diba?
din.
Kaya tayong parang ganun lang kasi parang tinuruan tayo to be like, tayo dapat
Gaganon tayo so they can be
Pero we
great.
don't also settle. I don't
Oo
feel like
nga
I
eh.
settled din.
And nag-evolve na
Oo.
talaga ang kababaihan.
Yeah, and
in
even
this time and the
though
age.
nag-sacrifice tayo, our sacrifice saves a lot.
Yeah.
It saves
Yeah.
marriages. It saves families.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang, I don't know, in that alone, I feel like women are so great.
Yes.
Diba?
We nurture everything.
Mm.
Yeah, like
We
I
nurture everyone's
don't
dreams.
know how the world will function without the
us.
sacrifices of women.
True.
Grabe, like think of the sacrifices your
Yeah.
grandmother has made, your mom. Diba?
Naiyak na.
Aw, I'm
Kasi
proud
it's
of
so
you.
incredible talaga.
No, kasi
I
like
can't
for my
imagine.
career, I had to sacrifice
So
volleyball player. So if I'm
much,
pregnant,
yeah.
Mm,
I don't have a career. I can't play. So parang, gets ko na.
yeah.
Ano pa yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve in life? Kasi dahil ang dami mo nang
Oo
nag-let go
nga
ka
eh.
ng anxiety,
Parang
ang dami
ano
mong realizations, the right person is there to push you and dream bigger. Ano pa ba? In your mid-30s, moving forward.
In my mid-30s,
Hindi ka pa naman
moving
mid. Ano pa naman
forward.
siya?
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost there.
Oo. Pero hello, if I'm gonna be like MJ
I
na
know.
latter part of my 30s,
Yeah.
like, wow, I'm looking forward to it.
Ano pa mga
Diba?
gusto mo?
Pero yung mga gusto ko pa is yung magka-businesses ako.
Mm-mm.
Pero yung beautiful part about it now is I think yung heart ko is in the place na I'm doing it for myself
Kikinig
and not to earn the approval of other
Validation.
people.
Tama.
Kasi I was also in that space before na parang I keep having to earn my worth, my place in people's lives.
Mm-mm.
Pero now it's like, yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Ano pa ba? I wanna be a mom.
Same.
Yeah, I really
rin,
want
gusto
to be
ko.
a mom. And nandun din ako sa space na siguro kahit na wala akong husband, I can
Very-
be a mom.
Oh my
Ganon.
God. Same!
Oo. Kasi parang,
Why do you want to be, like, you know, I think it's time for, like, sa tingin mo, time
Siguro
na
it
ba?
hits you
I
lang
let go
talaga.
na nga of the
Oo.
timeline. Pero dati pa gusto ko na talaga maging mom.
Mm-mm.
Pero kasi ngayon, parang, do I keep waiting for someone to like, for my life to fall into place?
Right.
Parang there's that possibility na.
Kaya naman.
Yeah.
And I think,
Mm-mm.
lamang na yung nurturing side mo naman. Kasi for the longest time, rah ka eh. Parang now,
And parang you know, financially we've earned it
Right.
na.
Mm-mm.
Tapos parang, I think I want the responsibility na rin. So, that's something I'm not saying na I'm gonna get myself pregnant anytime soon.
yeah.
Pero like,
it's in
The
the
ideas,
car.
lang na
the ideas are
naiisip
there.
ko yun.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba, naiisip mo rin yun,
Oo
Mars?
naman.
Diba?
As in to the point na nag-check na ako.
Oo.
Kasi we can.
Yeah.
You know, and sobrang mindset ko kasi since I step into my 30s, hindi ko na wini-wish na to get married, yung ganun. Basta I just know that I wanted to be a mom. And that I
Yeah.
can. With a certain, money in the bank.
Oo.
Na I was looking for options. Na
Mhm.
ganun. Na maganda rin pag-usapan natin minsan dito yan. Kasi there are options for that. For busy women.
Yeah.
Yung mga babaeng sobrang nalulung na lang talaga sa career and then one day they woke up and they're like, oh wow, I want to be a mom.
Yeah.
And they're, because of science now, it's possible. And
And I would say, it's not even because of yung career eh. Alam mo yun, na parang, I'm too busy kasi, kaya ano. It's more of parang waiting for the right guy
Yes.
and
and it's
everything
so
to
hard
fall
to
into
open up
place.
every time, no? Na parang, are you in the position of your life now that you're ready to have a kid? Yung parang ang
Ay,
demanding mo
yeah.
naman.
Oo.
I think ang
To ask
toxic
that
kapag
from
sa
them.
yung
Oo.
relationship na
Oo.
gusto ko na magkaanak ka, parang feeling ko mapapressure lang.
Tama, diba?
That's true.
Oo.
Like, how do you date in the middle of your 30s?
Correct.
Tapos parang yung una mong iisipin is,
Gusto ko na mag-baby.
Okay ba siya maging
or
okay ba siyang father?
is this going towards marriage?
Yeah.
Na, ganun na parang,
Pressure mo na agad.
I don't know if, I'm still, kasi nga eh, therapizing myself. Pero like, diba, is it something na I would want to go back to if ever? Na for the longest time, na anxiety ako na, saan na tayo papunta? Saan na tayo papunta?
Yeah.
And this guy, boyfriend ko na siya noon,
Yeah.
diba? So parang gusto ko pa bumalik sa pressure
ganun.
na yun. Tapos when I date someone, parang yun yung,
Yun na sa mind mo.
oo, parang it's unfair for the guy. Pero,
But it's so
I don't
nice
know.
to hear na
So-
you guys like, sobrang iba kasi. Like ako
Yeah.
nauna kasi yung ako eh. So parang,
yes.
I don't know what to say na parang dadarating rin yan. Pero like, you know, I think tama nga si Nicole na you have to, it's hard to find the right person. Kasi yung mga kasama mo eh, you're gonna raise a family together.
yeah.
You're gonna, whatever yung partner mo, yung ugali, yung childhood, mag-blend na yun sa family mo eh.
Everything.
Diba?
Oh.
But I like na you guys want to be moms.
Oo
It's so
naman.
nice. Like,
And I also know a lot of friends din na okay na sila kahit walang childless life. Okay na rin sila and that's
Talaga.
fine as well. Kasi
Yeah.
iba-iba naman talaga tayo
Oo.
ng, ng mga realization and wants.
May
in life.
nakita akong reel recently. So, at this point, you guys, napaghalataan nyo na I've been on social
Yeah,
media a lot.
masyadong active ba?
Oo, pero kasi natutuwa ako sa algorithm ko now.
Love
Since
it.
yun,
Love
share
that
ko
for
rin yung
you.
algo mo.
kasi parang kung proactive ka talaga, if you know how to use social media, makikurate mo talaga kung
Oo,
ano
chronically online na
yung
talaga.
healthy for you. Anyway, nakita ko na for the first time ever down, and I have to find this study. For the first time
Okay.
ever, women are marrying for love.
Oh.
That is, I mean, a generation of women. Na yun
Yeah.
talaga yung reason na
Yeah.
not a lot of women are marrying for financial capacity, for
Yes.
economic standing. Yung ganon,
Yeah.
diba? Unlike before. So
Yeah.
parang, for the first time ever, there's so much lonely men. Kasi ang taas na standard ng women.
Right.
If I don't get this amount or degree of love, why would I
Right.
bother?
Man,
I'm
right.
so happy on my own. I
Right.
can provide for myself. So you better be damn awesome if you're gonna intervene sa life ko at i-accommodate kita sa schedule ko.
If this episode made you laugh, think, or suddenly text your friend, "Are we doing life right?" You're in the right place. Follow Trentitas so you never miss an episode, and share it with a fellow 30-something who's also balancing dreams, bills, and existential questions. Because let's be honest, nobody really knows what they're doing in their 30s. We're all just figuring it out. Stick around for more real talk, good vibes, and conversations that make adulthood a little less confusing. This is Trentitas, your hangout for surviving your 30s.